In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark to your videos. Go to YouTube and make sure you're signing into your account. In the top right corner, click on Profile Picture and select YouTube Studio from drop-down menu. You can create your watermark using tools like Canva, or you can download one. Make sure image is 150 by 150 pixels and in the PNG JPEG format. In YouTube Studio, look at the left-hand sidebar and scroll down to find Customization. Click on it. At the top of Customization page, you will see Channel Customization tab. Under it, click on Branding. Scroll down to find Video Watermark section and click on Upload. Upload and select watermark file from your computer. Once uploaded, you can adjust size if needed. Then click on Done. You can choose one watermark will appear during your videos. At the end, start, and through the entire video. I recommend selecting entire video. Once you are happy with settings, click on Publish at the top right corner to apply watermark to all your videos. Open one of your videos to verify that watermark appears in the bottom right corner. If you want to change watermark or remove watermark, simply return to Branding section in your YouTube Studio and make your changes and click on Publish.